take the little dropper and you actually apply it straight to the scalp. Hi guys, I'm Roxette Arisa and you're watching This Week in Beauty with IPSY. Today we have an exciting new launch from Nomad Cosmetics. This is Nomad's brand new Berlin Underground palette, and just wait until you see these shades. They are beautiful, like absolutely stunning, especially for fall time, which is around the corner now. It's basically here. Like, I don't know where this year has gone, but fall is here and I'm ready for fall makeup, and this has 15 beautiful shades that are gonna have you ready for fall makeup as well. And they are so pigmented, you guys. I have to show you how beautifully these swatch. They have very finely milled pigments, so they blend out easily. They just have this beautiful sheen to them that is really gonna add a lot of gleam to the eyes. And on top of that, I just feel like they are going to make amazing toppers to eyeshadow looks that you may have already created, because a lot of these shadows are metallic, so you're getting a lot of great options for that extra pop to the eyes. You do get a couple mattes in here as well that I think would be beautiful to blend out the other shades, but I'm just saying the metallics are living in this palette, okay? I would totally use this one to create some bomb fall looks, like I said before, so let us know what you're gonna do with it when you get it. It is exclusively on IPSY Shopper from September 17th through October 1st, so get your hands on it. And also tell us down in the comment section what city has inspired you. And now let's check out the Mint-Infused beauty products that are gonna have you feeling minty fresh from head to toe. So first off, we have a cleanser. This is the ODACITÉ Black Mint Cleanser. It's a really cool minty gel that actually transforms into a purifying foam to really draw out all of those toxins and impurities. It has peppermint and tea tree oil that work to minimize the appearance of pores, and the menthol in peppermint actually removes skin fatigue and brightens up your complexion. So not only does it smell nice and minty fresh, but it also has a lot of skin benefits, including that brightening benefit, detoxification. We're getting it all here. So moving on to this NOYAH Peppermint Lip Balm. This is actually something that I got in my September glam bag and I've been loving it. It gives your breath almost like a minty smell, and it's a lightweight all natural formula that is obviously going to help to soften and nourish your lips. And I'm telling you guys, it smells amazing. If you love peppermint or mint in general, you will love this lip balm. This last product is one of my personal favorites. It is available on IPSY Shopper. It's the Briogeo Hair Care Scalp, Revival, Charcoal, and Tea Tree Scalp Treatment. So this one detoxifies and removes buildup from the scalp. So if you've ever, or if you do, you know, use a lot of hairspray, hair products in general, dry shampoo, a lot of texturizing sprays, all of those products actually build up on your scalp and can prevent your hair from growing healthy. So this actually detoxifies your scalp and helps it get as clean as possible so that your hair can be as smooth, shiny, healthy, long, strong as it can possibly be. And it's a really cool product, especially for those of you who might have itchy scalps or redness, flaky, irritation, anything like that. We've got you covered here. So how you use it is you take the little dropper and you actually apply it straight to the scalp. So after you wash your hair, but before you style it, you're gonna want to separate your hair and apply about like 1 to 2 drops of this stuff in your hair at the roots and then massage it in. And I'm telling you guys, it really does leave your hair or your scalp feeling very refreshed because of the peppermint and spearmint oils that reduce the scalp itchiness. And it's honestly, it's interesting. It's a very unique product. I've never tried anything else like this, but I really do feel like it works. So if you're like me and if you do use a lot of hair products on your hair, this is definitely something that I would suggest to check out. So let us know in the comment section which of these products are meant to be on your vanity. That's all we have time for today. I'm Roxette Arisa, and thanks for watching This Week in Beauty with IPSY.